There's a one hell of a thunderstorm going on outside, so if you can't hear me, I apologise. Alright, hello again. Well, you can see where I've got to. I've spent 10-15 minutes or so drawing out my can, and so all I did was drew out my can, like I said. Then I got up on the Tinterweb, just did a quick image search for anglerfish. Just got like a bank of images to refer to, just to get me basic features. What I've tried to do is keep the shape of the can going all the way through to form the body, then just stick me fins, tail on the back, that lure thing they have at the front, stuck an eye on it. I've extended this belly up. I quite like the way that the bits on the can here, these impressions are gonna, oh, it's good noise, isn't it? They you know, they can be adapted into the gills as well. So there's a nice little metamorphosis going on, and then I can continue them again behind it. And I can also buckle them underneath to make this sort of belly on the bottom. Anyway, no idea how it's going to turn out. Quite enjoying it at the moment though. So what I'll do now is I'll time lapse for a bit, and you can just see how the drawing develops. I'm going to start though with setting my can up in exactly the right angle. I'm going to spend a long time just trying to draw this area very realistically with the reflections and all the rest of it. Then I'll move on to the rest. That'll give me a little bit of confidence, I think, to move on. Alright, so we're getting there. Our surrealistic idea is coming together. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it there. If I had, I've got to go and cook dinner, but if I had a bit more time, I'd maybe darken this so I get that glow, that nice glow that the lure on the front of the anglerfish, you know, because they're a deep sea fish, and make it quite dark around the edge. But now, just before I sign off, you know, what else could you try? Well, obviously you've got the can, but look, I almost wish I'd done this first. Look at that peg, brilliant. What are you seeing? I'm seeing a crocodile. There's its head, easy. Crocodile's body on the back. Bob's your uncle. Lovely. What about this? Hairbrush. You know, spikes on the top. Little animal's body. Hedgehog, armadillo, something like that. Tail coming out of the back. Makes you look at the world differently, doesn't it? Anyway, have a little go. Improves your observational skills. Improves your ideas generation. Improves your imaginative drawing skills. See you soon.